Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. In this edition we're going to look at the matte tourniquet. Now this one's a little bit different from the cat tourniquet and the soft T tourniquet because it works on a pulley system. So the tourniquet itself has a sort of C shape to it, and that goes around the arm, and on the top here you've got a winder which you actually wind up to apply tension. So when you actually put it on, you can hold that away from the arm and you can pull this through to tighten it on, and then you physically wind it up. So to apply this, we slide the arm, slide it over the arm. And this one will work just as well on a leg. There's plenty of material left there. So we apply that over. Using the tail here, we'll just pull that so it's tight. On the top here is the release one. So as long as you just make sure again that it's 5 centimeters above the elbow. And on here, just lift that up, and then we literally just wind it up. And we need to do it until we apply a lot of pressure on. Bend the tab over, and on the white section here you can write the time it's been applied. And this works very well. The only real disadvantage of this one is, generally speaking, we try and have the width of the tourniquet at least 3.5 centimeters, whereas this one is a little bit narrow. But it still works well, it's very effective. The only other thing with it is there's a metal buckle on it, and the metal buckle is directly pushing into the skin. So this will cause a little bit of discomfort, but they do work effectively. When we've actually put it on, we will leave it on. Remember, only a doctor in a hospital is removing this. We need to make sure it's on tight enough. If needed, you can apply more pressure just by twisting it around a little bit more. This one's very good as well because each click will give you more tension, whereas the other types, you have to actually do a complete half turn. Now with this one, if you're practicing this, you then need to get it ready for use again, and you need to take it off. The other ones are quite easy. Well, this one is also easy, but you need to be a little bit more careful. On the side here is a release button. When you hit that release button, it will release the tension, but this tag at the top will spin round, so make sure that you don't hit yourself on it. So just push the button, you see that just span round, and then once you've done that, you can push the button on the side to release the tape, take it off of the arm, and then to reset it, just push the release button and just pull the strings out here. That'll just make it go to the point where it's ready to use for the first time. And then all you need to do is just tidy up the bands and it's ready to use.